Hi all, guess what? I'm sure you will guess. Another guy from this great company Anker, number one. Yeah, maybe it's true, and maybe I have a power bank disorder, but let's see what we have. Okay, quick start guide. PAP22, maybe this is the name of it. No, it's writing PAP21, so I don't know why it's written PAP22 and this, I don't know, never mind. Look how it looks, very nice. Okay, let's open it. Wow. First glance, it looks nothing special, but it is. I will show you why. There are two things that make it very special. One of them is that you can't see anything right now here, but watch this. Ta-da! Do you see it? There is an LCD that is behind this gray cover, and you can see pretty nice the charging percent. I think this is all you can see. I'm not sure, but this is the first thing that's special about it. And the second thing is that you can carry it with this rope, let's say, but if you push it, then you can see that this is a USB Type-C that is connected directly inside the power bank. So you always have a cable ready to use if you're using a USB Type-C. Another thing, this is 30 watt, which is a lot. So it supports some of the IQ protocols that can charge pretty fast. Beside this cable, you have this additional two input-output. Yeah, I will do a zoom. Okay, so this is out only, and the USB Type-C is in-out. Also, the cable here is in-out. Now, let's see if it can charge at 30 watt. I think it can. So what I will do, I will connect the power Z directly to this guy. Wow, did you see? No, it's exactly 30 watt. I thought that it did jump a little higher. You can see the voltage, 20 volt, 1.5 amp and 30 watt. So it is now charging. You can see, and also it is telling me how much time till it will be complete charge, 1 hour and 1 minute. And the capacity, I think the capacity is, if I remember correctly, 10,000 milliamp hour. I'm not sure. Let's read the manual. Yeah, this is exactly 10,000 milliamp hour, and there are written why there are two 5,000 milliamp hour, which means there are two cells inside that each one is 5,000, and I think this is the 21,700, the big batteries that are a little bigger than the 18,650. I'm almost sure. Okay, so now maybe let's see if I can use something to check. Yeah, of course I can use my soldering iron, which needs 60 watt. So of course we will not be able to send to it 60 watt, but we will be able to check what power it delivers out. So maybe, yeah, I will do it like this, and I will connect it now, and we'll power up. Look at the numbers. So yeah, it delivers around 30 watt also out, 15 volt and 1.8 amp at this stage. You can see it, of course. I will do a little close focus, and now you can see that, yeah, it can deliver the power of 30 watt out. This is nice. About the protocols that it supports, yeah, there is an option to try to find them. I never understand how to make it first time to work, because the power Z need some wake up. Keep pull up resistor, yeah. Okay, and now be ready, auto detection, and now it will show us all the supported protocols. The power Z has inside a pull up resistor that enable the power on without device that is consuming power out from this device. You need it because if you don't have the pull up, it will not work. So you can see here the protocols: FCP, SCP, AFC, Q3, and on each one we can, of course, look at what it supports. I'm interested in the Q3, which is I found it the most interesting. It supports up to 12 volts. Okay, let's go for maybe the PD. Yeah, so here we have 20 volt, 1.5 amp, which is the highest. This is the 30 watt, and the Apple is 2.4 amp, I see. Yeah, just 2.4 amp, and this is all the protocol. You can see the voltage and what it supports. Basically, probably it will give you the highest charge of the device that you're using. So that's all for now. Thank you and bye.